actually want. Can I spray foam on your face?
Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Clyde Fernandez, my boyfriend.
Yeah.
And today we're going to be answering some couple questions that I thought would be interesting for you guys. How we met each other, what our relationship is like, who's the badass. So shall we
I
start?
think that's pretty obvious who the badass is out here.
Me, na? I know. Do I look like I'm a badass?
That's what she said.
Clyde is trying to be funny. Okay, can we start?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have some questions that were asked to me on Instagram. So we're going to be answering those questions, and there's a whole list of them. Are you ready, Clyde?
I don't think so. Do
Okay.
I have a choice?
Okay, so since I'm a host and I host talk shows, I thought we'll make this like a little talk show vibe and we'll do segments.
Where you basically take my case
No, we're talking about both of us.
on the internet.
No, we're talking about our relationship. You're going to be taking my case and I'm going to be taking your case, and that's how it's going to be, and that's how it always is. Yeah?
Okay.
Okay, so basically the first segment is just getting to know us. Okay? Okay, so the first question is, what was your first impression of each other?
Ladies first.
Well,
She didn't care.
I didn't
She
really,
didn't notice. That's what she says.
I didn't
How-
really have a first
This
impression.
is why lie about it? Like you checking me out.
It was the opposite.
Yeah, I was also checking you out,
were
but you
not
also checking me
no,
out.
No. He was checking me out, and he was hoping that I was checking him out. But honestly, I was out.
You stole my drink.
I did. Clyde, don't make up a story. Okay,
stole
we'll
my
tell
drink.
them that story, but first let's answer this. What was your first impression of me?
Ooh. Who are you?
Ooh, who are you? Okay. My first impression was, he's cute, but he's not my type.
Clearly, that's what's happened now.
Yeah, turned out something else only, but yeah, that was my first impression. Okay, so the next question is, how did you meet? Give details.
Bandra 145.
Bandra 145, what happened?
I was not supposed to be there that night, but my friend Alan.
I think it was my first, I had just moved to Bombay, and it was my first night out with my sister, my cousin sister, and her best friend and his best friend are the same person, who is Alan. And it just so happened that I had gone out with her and he was also there with Clyde. Girls being girls, we wanted to take some pictures, and Clyde was the only person to be spotted, so we told him to take some pictures for us.
Yeah.
And I think that's the first time we met. And then eventually...
She didn't speak to me.
Yeah, because I was very new and I was...
There were 11 girls and her.
Yeah, but who did you notice?
Obviously you,
Yeah. Okay. When did you both know you love each other?
The day I met you, yeah.
Okay, no, I was not that sure. It took me a while. I think I knew the day he went and met my mom without me being there. My mom was in Bombay, and he went all alone. I was out partying, and he went all alone to meet my mom and my brother. And I think that was what won me over.
Who does that?
Yeah, nobody does that.
Who does that?
I
don't know why I did it. I really don't know.
Because you're a good boy.
Okay.
Like, I know I wouldn't, because I would be very intimidated, but he took it head on and he went and he met my mom and he spent a good amount of time with her, and that, I think somewhere that's when I knew that, yeah, this is the guy I want to be with.
So if it wasn't for that, she'd not date me.
What rubbish.
That's
Okay,
exactly
most
what it
precious
said.
gift or memory?
Oh.
I don't think gifts are precious.
She always writes these cards, you know. She writes a lot, so it's pretty cool.
That? You still have all of them?
Yeah, I have all of
He
them.
hasn't read them all.
I haven't read all of them.
What
yet.
birthday? I think on his 24th birthday, I gave him 24 letters, right? Or
Yeah.
24th birthday, I gave him 24 letters.
Yeah.
So I don't think he's read them all, and they're all for different.
But there is a free pass if I piss you off also.
Really?
Which I will use.
Oh, that. Oh, yeah, that.
I will use that.
Yeah, that. When he gives me that free pass, I have to let him go.
Yeah, the day I cover your face in foam for one of your vlogs.
Oh, guys, you have a lot of interesting things coming up.
Huh.
For me, I don't think gifts hold a lot of importance because they're material things. I think for me, the most precious memory would be the fact that he went and met my mom without me being there. I think that would be my most precious.
But you were not there only, so
Yeah,
how is
but-
it a moment for you? I think when we went on our first international holiday, yeah, that was great.
Yeah, I think so.
That was great, and the last day we went to this beautiful beach. That was great.
Yeah.
That was great.
And I was in a very, very shitty mood that day, but
Yeah,
just being together and being on that beach.
that's what
Was-
it's all about.
Yeah. I'll see if I can find a picture and show you guys.
Yeah.
Okay,
And the
how
alcohol.
long have you been dating? Clyde, would you like to answer this?
4 years. on
We've
our
completed
fifth.
4 years. We're on our fifth.
I don't
Long,
know.
long time.
I don't know how, man. She's great, but I'm kind of a dick.
One thing you like about each other and dislike about each other.
Oh, you're loud sometimes,
I'm Punjabi.
and that's what leads to a lot of arguments, I feel. But
That's what you dislike about me, right?
yeah. Like the tone escalates, and then like a healthy argument turns into a fight.
Okay.
Or like
And what do you like about me, Clyde? It's so easy to come up with the
everything.
No, you have to tell me one specific
Everything.
thing. You can't get away with this.
She, Harsha takes care of me like she's my mom. It's great. It's great. Breakfast in bed, lunch in bed. If you're not feeling well, like, life is good, man. It's great.
Okay.
I love being a patient in this house. You know? I love it.
Listen, I also want to be. Okay, so the one thing that I dislike about him would probably be that he's always on his phone.
It's work.
Yeah, but even when it's not work, he's
Bro.
always on his phone. And I will show you captures that I have. I will show you. And the one thing that I like about him is that he's got a very pure soul. He may be whatever he is on his exterior, but from the inside he's like a child, like a little baby. So that's what I like about him. I think that makes him adorable.
Okay.
That was our first segment, which has taken really, really long. And now we're on to a quicker segment that we're going to call Who is Most Likely? Eeks!
She hates that.
Yes. Who's most likely to miss their flight?
No, Mr. Fly.
Cry in a movie. Get into a fight.
Not a good thing.
Don't
Don't fight.
Who's most likely to forget something?
Recently,
He just told
who
you
forgot,
he
who forgot
his
your mask?
phone.
Who
He
forgot your
forgot his
mask?
phone
Who
in the
forgot your
car.
mask
And that's
yesterday?
not the
Who
first
lost
time.
your mask?
Okay.
Who lost the mask yesterday? Who forgot the mask day before yesterday?
Baba, mask?
Who forgot? Who forgot?
Okay. Spend more money. Look at his face. It's guilty face.
I like.
Fall asleep first.
I fell asleep once when she was fighting with me. So
Yeah.
does that count? Does that?
No, I wanted to beat him up
I
that
think
time.
that's great, man.
Okay, who's always hungry? Who said I love you first? In fact, I have to tell you the story. He said I love you in a very random way. He just slid it in there, thinking that I won't notice. He's like, okay, bye. He's leaving my house late at night, and he's like, okay, bye. I love you. See you. And I was like, okay. I was not ready for it, but I was right there.
Thanks.
Okay, who takes longer to get ready?
Is that even a question? It's forever. Well, we have to leave, we have to go get dinner. Oh no, I'll take 45 minutes at least. I was like,
Dude,
by
girls have
then,
long
by
days.
then dinner, by then the place shuts, guys. Things shut at 10 o'clock. You need to be out and about. You need to be eating.
Who is the better cook? He made prawns that day with a lot of salt. and
Yeah, I
he threw
remember
them
so
out.
yeah, I felt so sad.
But he has to. His
I make good.
specialty is healthy food.
I make good anda burji
Yeah, he does.
and I cook prawns.
But he doesn't make it too often.
Yeah, because now we gotta cook to do the work.
Yeah. Okay, who asked who out first?
Obviously.
Yeah, he asked me. Who is funnier?
I think me.
Maybe. I cannot deny that. See what I'm dealing with? Okay.
Oh, yes.
Who's more afraid of ghosts? Rubbish, he freaks out equally as much, okay?
I hate insects.
Yeah.
But ghosts.
I get creeped out.
See? That's what I'm saying.
If you shout in somebody's face, they're going to react. Huh? Who apologizes first after arguments? Nonsense! Nonsense!
It's because I'm the one that creates the problem. So I have to say sorry.
If he's admitting that already.
Apart from the time when she yells at me, I hate it.
Yeah, okay, fine. But then even when he yells at me, I agree with it. Who's always right? Okay, so I have an answer to this. Let me say my answer. He thinks he's always right, that's why he's never right.
Oh, sorry.
So like any relationship, we have a lot of ups and downs, but I think I think we managed to pull through. We make up for it by being goofy, and I think Clyde makes up for it by being goofy.
It's us only that have to make up all the time.
Yeah, us only meaning?
Men. Actually, women also.
Clyde, I'm trying to end this on a good note. Would you like to end it on a good note with me, or do you want to get into a men versus women fight?
No, not like that. Yeah, it's not about men or women, but I feel there's somebody that gives more in every relationship, and in this relationship, I feel you give more. Okay?
I think
I had to say that to end this on a good note,
yeah,
right?
I think I'm gonna end this on that. Yeah, monkey. Okay, I think Claire, it's time to end this now. Okay, guys, so that was it. I hope you had fun watching this, and if you did, please
Like, share, and subscribe, and do follow me on Instagram also. मुझे भी बनाओ यार famous.
Okay, so if you do like this video, please like, subscribe and share. And do let me know what kind of content would you like to see going ahead. And yeah, until the next video, stay happy, stay safe and stay healthy. Lots of love, guys. Bye bye.
Every time I'm putting in so much of effort, the audience won't see the effort I put in.
Hello. You know, if for somebody who's supposed to be shy of the camera, Clyde Fernandez is...
I just want to spray for